Okay guys, so collaboration is how content teams thrive. So it's how they share ideas, build strategies, review each other's efforts, and get things done. So generally speaking, there are two kinds of collaborations. Synchronous, where people collaborate in real time, and asynchronous, where people get back to each other at their earliest convenience. Now, I'm sure you can clearly understand that an asynchronous model is far less efficient since you have to wait for the other team members to get back to you, and you'll often end up with extremely long emails and things get lost in all these lengthy communications. So today I'm going to show you the only solution available to collaborate directly from within WordPress on Page Editor. Okay, so let me show you. And for this, we're going to use Multicollab, which is a Google Docs style collaboration in WordPress. And this is going to help streamline your workflow, and it's packed with features. As you can see, live user collaboration, inline comments, reply and resolved, real-time editing, suggestions, and much, much more. Okay, so first, let me show you the inline comment feature, the suggest edit, and mentions. Very good. So let's say you're working on this blog post here and you found something that's not quite right, or maybe you want to ask the feedback from your colleagues. So it's very easy to do. So as you can see, I have a sentence here. Fortunately, with innovative solutions like Multicollab, the dynamics of teamwork on WordPress are transforming significantly. And maybe you're not too sure of this section here, which makes you think that there are other solutions available when actually Multicollab is the only one available on the market. Well, you can ask feedback from your colleagues very easy. All you have to do is click on this button here, and now you can type an inline comment. So perhaps something like this, could we rephrase this differently? To me, it looks like there are other solutions on the market when Multicollab is actually the only one. Do you read it the same way as I do? And then post your comment. And now anyone who collaborates on the same blog post as you can see your message. All you have to do now is click on it. And as you can see, we'll highlight the section in question, and now we can reply. So I could say, for instance, yes, I think that you're right. Let me try something else here. Reply. And as you can see, John Doe got direct feedback from David, and you have complete interaction between the two. Now you can tag any other team members if you wanted to, using the @ sign as well. So as you can see, I could select any of those co-workers that are working along with us on the same document. So I could tag Sue if I wanted to and ask her a specific question as well. Or for instance, I could ask Sue, how would you rephrase this? And then post the reply. And now Sue can join in as well. As you can see, I have John Doe, David, and Sue can reply to this message. So all she has to do is click on this and post her reply. So she could reply something like this, try as the only solution of its kind, Multicollab remarkably transforms the dynamics of teamwork on WordPress. And then she can post her reply. And now David can make all the necessary changes. So let's copy and paste this here. Very good, there you go. And now David can mark this as resolved. And then you can also suggest edit. So for this, you have to go and enable it first. Okay, so we go to Multicollab, you go to settings, and right here, use the toggle switch, suggest edit. So now it is on, and now we can suggest edit from our text. So the first type is the formatting edit. So if I wanted to emphasize here only solution of its kind, or maybe just only solution, I can highlight this and I can suggest the formatting changes, maybe bold and italic. And as you can see, this is recorded here automatically by the side. Now anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So if I'm happy enough with it, I can accept it. And as you can see, those changes have taken place. And then you can also suggest a change of text or content. As you can see here, Multicollab remarkably transforms the dynamics of teamwork on WordPress. Maybe you want to change this word for something else, maybe uniquely instead of remarkably. All you have to do is to highlight this and then hit the delete key. As you can see now, this is crossed off, and now you can type the actual term that you want to replace it with. So like we said, uniquely. And again, anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So this time, let's reject it, okay? And as you can see, the changes have reverted back to its original state. Now let me show you how you can collaborate on videos and dynamic content. So perhaps you inserted a video on your blog post, but you're not too sure if this is the right one. Maybe you're looking for something different or something like this. All you have to do is click on it. And again, you can post a comment and ask your colleagues. So perhaps something like this, post your comment. And now anyone coming along can reply to this, obviously, you know. Now you can do the same also with dynamic content. So let's say you have a quote like this: to collaborate on WordPress or not to collaborate on WordPress? That is the question. And perhaps you'd like to mention who the author of that quote is. All you have to do again is click on this and then post your comment. So perhaps something like this: can you add the source, please? And now let's say David sees your message, he can work on this. So is that the right video related to this topic? So let's say yes, it is. Reply, mark it as done. And you can do the same with the second one. Can you add the source here, please? Let's add it. So let's say Harshbat is the author. And let's mark this as resolved. Now, I'm sure that you also want to make sure that your data are safe too, so let me show you the security feature as well. So if you go to Multicollab in the settings tabs, you will find the managed permissions here. So that means that anyone working alongside with you as an admin, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, or guest will have its own set of permissions. So you can add comment, resolve comment, or disable them all together. And the same with suggestion: add suggestion, accept or reject, or disable them all together. And did you know that with Multicollab you also have access to all the activities taking place on your blog post with reporting as well? So this is available directly from within your blog post. All you have to do is click on the Multicollab logo. As you can see, you have all the collaborators here and all the activities taking place, and also a quick summary. So here you have all the comments and suggestions, how many are actually opened, resolved, and in total. But you can also access all the latest activities directly from the WordPress dashboard. You don't have to open the blog post each and every time. As you can see, they're all recorded here chronologically from the newest activities to the oldest. And we also have the reporting tab. And from here, you will see all your different blog posts being listed, and also who are the collaborators working on them, and how many comments are open, resolved, and how many are in total. And finally, let me show you some of the advanced features of Multicollab. And the first one is that you can attach document to your inline comments. So let me select a section here. Let's post an inline comment. And as you can see right here with a paperclip, click on this. And now you can attach any documents that you want, a PDF file or an image. So let's select this one as an example. And there you go. As you can see, this is how you attach a document. And now anyone coming along can open it by clicking on the link. Now, if you enable that feature, you can also get notified via email about all the activities on content drafts. Now, Multicollab is also available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, French, German, Bengali, Spanish, and Chinese. And you can also integrate Multicollab with Slack to streamline your team collaboration. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Now if you are interested and would like to try this out for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page, and under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.